4D Spinning Pinwheel, Acrylic and Gel Nail Art Tutorial by Hotpinkzebrapolish.
Hi guys, in today's video I am going to be showing you a 4D pinwheel. This is a super easy design, much easier than it looks, and especially for 4D this one is kind of on the easier side of things. So it's actually made mostly with gel polish, which is as far as like the 3D elements go. So that's kind of fun and different. You make what I think of in my head as a gel polish piece of material, and then you cut it up and you fold it and you glue it. The gluing is definitely the hardest part about this. Otherwise, I hope you guys like this design, and don't forget to click subscribe to see all my future videos as well.
So to start with, I'm going to begin with an overlay of a milky white blue glitter acrylic. This is a color that I mixed myself. I don't usually mix acrylics. I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to buy it because it's easier, and sometimes your glitter mixes and your color mixes just don't work out as well. But I had a very specific type of color in mind and I wanted to make it, and I'm very happy with how this turned out. And so after I have that done, I'm going to encase it with a layer of clear acrylic just to go over the whole thing to make sure that it is nice and strong. And after that's done, then I'm going to file the nail into shape with my e-file. So the first bit that I'm using is going to be a fairly coarse bit just to remove any bulk. This is a bit that I would typically see recommended to use for the beginning of a service to remove old product in gel polish, but I think it works great for finished filing as well. But then I'm going to take a much finer bit and remove any little bumps and lumps that first file may have left behind. And now I get to drill a little hole near the cuticle, not all the way through the nail, mind you, for my piece of wire. Then I'm going to stick a piece of wire into the hole with some nail glue. On a nail form backing, using some one-step black gel polish that's called Black is the One from Madame Glam, I'm going to paint a square, and then I'm going to cure it and paint a second coat, cure it again. So I've got 2 coats of that black color, and then I'm going to be rubbing some chameleon flakes into that just to give it some glitz and some shine and make it just a little bit more sparkly, because sparkles are so nice to have in the world. So just rub those on. The one great thing with a one-step black gel polish is that you don't have to worry about doing a coat of no wipe top coat before you use any chameleon powders, peacock powders, chrome powders, and so on and so forth. After you have it top coated, take it off the nail form backing and then trim it so that it doesn't have the little ruffly edges. It's nice and straight, and then trim from the corners and towards the center, but not all the way to the center. So trim them almost all the way, but so that you still have them all attached. Then fold them corner to the center. So take one of your corners, fold it into the center, glue it down with some nail glue. Hold that in place. Like I said in the intro, the gluing is definitely the hardest part of this design. It's not necessarily super difficult, it's just you have to have patience, and sometimes with nail glue, I don't really have any patience. But go through and on each of your little triangles that you have cut, take one corner, fold it in, glue it down. And hopefully you won't glue it to your finger like I just did. And if you do glue it to your finger, I would recommend getting it off with a twisting motion. Don't worry, the glue shouldn't be too set once you notice it, that it'll hurt to get it off, hopefully. But just kind of twist it off and that should work for you. Instead of trying to pull it right off, you run a greater risk of ruining your pinwheel. So just slowly work on one to the next, going down along the line. The farther you get into your pinwheel on the 3rd and 4th triangles, it's going to be harder to glue them down because they're being glued on top of the other corners that you've done. So it's not a smooth little glue, but once you get them all glued down, it should be good. So after you have them all glued, just hold there, that last one. Drop some gel sealer into the center. Kind of cover up all of those little transitions and then cure that, and that'll really hold them together. Then drill a hole through your pinwheel right on top of that gel sealer. String that over the top of your little post that's in the nail, and then glue a rhinestone to the end of the post so that it holds the pinwheel in place. It might take 2 tries. See, the nail glue. It's always about the nail glue. Nail glue is a terrible, terrible substance. After you have your rhinestone glued down in place, take a little bit of clear acrylic underneath it just to make sure that that does stay where you put it. And then take some more of that Black is the One, paint the stem of your little pinwheel, add some more of your chameleon flakes, and then top coat. So I'm going to take some gel sealer, and I did one side and then the other. I would probably recommend doing things a little bit in a different order than I did. I would paint the stem of your pinwheel and then do the gel sealer across the whole nail before sticking the actual pinwheel on the post. That way you don't have to worry about getting gel sealer on it and gluing it down at the end. But, you know, you can do things anyway. this is all done, and it does actually work. You can blow on and it will spin, which is hilarious. I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I do. This is one of those nails that would be terrible to actually wear just because you'd be playing with it all the time and you would get no work done. At least if you're me, I would just be sitting there messing with it all day. So I hope you guys like it as much as I do, and please tag me in any recreations. I'd love to see them, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!